Imagine that you're in the hospital and either you or a loved one has been injured by medical malpractice. And now the hospital personnel come to you and ask you to come to a meeting to discuss the case. What do? Hi, I'm Frank Spector, medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and DC for over 30 years. And this is a common trend that's been happening now, where the hospital personnel come to patients to discuss the medical malpractice case and perhaps to offer them a low monetary settlement before they get a lawyer. So before you go into any meeting like that, let me suggest 3 things that you should consider. And I recommend that you don't go to this meeting, but that decision is totally up to you. But here are the 3 things. Number 1, in that meeting, they have more information than you do. They've had a chance to look at the medical records. They probably had a chance to talk to the medical staff that was taking care of you or your loved one. They may have even consulted with outside medical experts to see if what they did was wrong. So they have more information than you. Number 2, they have more experience than you do. They do this all the time. Their job is to try to assess claims and to try to offer early settlements. So they do this a lot, and you've never been through this before. So they have more information than you, and they have more experience than you. And the third thing is that they're going to try to offer you a low monetary settlement. Sometimes what they'll say to you is, look, all of the medical bills that have been accrued up till now, we're going to wipe those out. You won't owe us anything. And that's to get you to try to take a low settlement. But that doesn't take into account everything that's involved in a medical malpractice damages lawsuit. That would be past medical bills, future care. So hospital bills are only a small part of it. So they're going to offer you something very low and offer you something to try to get you to settle the case. So what am I recommending? I'm recommending that you don't go into a meeting like that until you've spoken to a lawyer, because you should have the same amount of information. You should be able to talk to someone who has a lot of experience, and you should be able to talk to someone who has knowledge of what medical malpractice cases are worth. So I hope this is a helpful video for you. This has been happening a lot in hospitals, and I just wanted you to be aware of it. My contact information is below, and I look forward to speaking with you.